If you've never had fried shredded wheat, it's going to knock you out. This stuff is awesome. Hey everybody, Hunter, Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and Country Cook Steve Hall back here for another great recipe in Nashville, Tennessee in our little country kitchen. I got to tell you, when I was a little kid, man, I used to love fried shredded wheat. And now, if you're tired of eggs in the morning, tired of cold cereal, get a box of shredded wheat. Make sure you get the big biscuits. Take a bowl of milk. Now, I use half and half because that's what my Uncle Bob does. You can use skim milk, 2% whole, but I like half and half. Heat it in the microwave till it's almost as hot as a cup of coffee. Now, we got our frying pan going here pretty good, and we're going to put in a pretty good chunk of butter. All right, we're going to get a pretty good chunk of butter going in here. Never hurts to have too much. My Uncle Bob said he liked to have butter on butter. Now we're going to take our little biscuit here, and we're going to put it in our hot milk. This stuff is pretty warm. Pour out most of the milk, but not all of it, and place it in there. Let me get another biscuit out of this package here. This stuff is absolutely awesome. Again, you almost can't have too much butter in the pan. Flop it in the milk, just turn it over a couple times, then pour out most of the excess milk, but not all of it. Then put it in the pan. Now, I'm kind of one of these smashy, gashy kind of guys. Like, if I eat a hamburger, I gotta smash it. If I have tuna fish sandwich, I gotta kind of smash it flat. You're probably one of those sandwich smashing people out there watching this video right now. Get it nice and golden brown on one side, and this is going to take just a couple of minutes. All right, this stuff is finally getting nice and golden brown. Take a look at this. All right, let's turn these little babies over. See, ooh, just nice and golden brown. Fried shredded wheat. Would you have believed it? I'm telling you what, this stuff is absolutely awesome. And it's almost done, because once you get it kind of golden brown on both sides, it is what it is. It's fried in butter with soaked in a little bit of milk. Now again, our milk over here, we can get a shot of this here, babe, as I plate this up. I say babe because I got pretty much Sheila as my video cam chick today, and this is real hot out of the microwave, almost as hot as a cup of coffee. And you get your shredded wheat here. See if we can get this plated up. Let me turn off my burner quick. Let me get a nice pinch of sugar. Now I use Splenda, but you can use regular sugar on this. And I'm telling you what, the butter is hot, the biscuits are hot, the milk is hot. This is the most yummy shredded wheat you've ever ate. If you ever crumbled them up and ate it cold and it tastes like you're eating a bale of hay, this stuff, you will just fall in love with it. All right, let me give this a taste here. All right, I can't wait to give this a try. But I'm going to have to shut my microphone off so you don't hear me smackety smack smack. Sheila, go ahead and shut off the audio. That was so delicious. I had to turn the audio off or you heard me smack, smack, smack. Go get yourself some shredded wheat. I use the big biscuits, but if you get in a bind, you can actually use the small singles shredded wheat, the little 1-inch cubes, and fry them up too. But use the big ones. Get some milk, heat it up, put it in there, fry it in butter, and don't send the kids to school with a cold breakfast. Make them some fried shredded wheat. Once you try this stuff, kind of takes me back to my childhood. My mom used to make it for me. So, is it the best little yummy breakfast, hot breakfast that you've ever tasted? If it ain't, it ought to be. This is Steve Hall saying we'll see you next time right here. And thanks a lot, Sheila, for doing a great job with the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.